Hi everybody, today I want to make a video about today I was trading Tesla, and basically the premise of this video is to show you basically what I do. I hardly make videos about this, but it's very straightforward. I'm still not a very profitable, or I'm still not profitable or come out of the losses that I've been accumulating, but this is 2023, and every year I'm getting stronger, I'm getting wiser, and I'm making better decisions. Today I want to show you Tesla. It was a play where there was a pattern. And the lesson basically of today that I learned, well, that I need to shove in my brain is, hey, if there's a pattern, follow the pattern. Here we have a daily chart of Tesla, and the pattern here is this trend break. There's just a little connection from the bottoms of these candles. It opened on the other side instead of higher, so it's just a pattern that if something like that happens where it breaks a line, a trend, a broken trend, means it might go in the other direction, and that's kind of what happened. These lines are just levels. This is the trend line right here. This line is this line right here. So it broke below it, and another thing to that I'm learning is that I need to know exactly how I want to get in, kind of visualize what's the plan, how am I going to get in, and how many contracts am I going to put in. Today I missed out big time. I mean, I only got basically the play was from here that I did was from here to here, which is very small. This is only basically a dollar move, and this dollar move only made me about $60, something like that. And you can see my trades right here. um, so I'm up on the day, but these are also cost commission, so this is about $9 in commission, like $10 or more in commission. um, there the transactions that rendered the most was, yeah, Tesla plays. The last one I did was SPY, which is one contract, but here I went big. I bought 4 contracts, and then I sold the first two basically at the same price I bought them at, and so I didn't really make profit. The reason I got out of those 2 contracts was because I was thinking to myself that I maybe had too much size. These 4 contracts equate to about $900, a little under $900. So instead, I'm like, let me just go in with $200, and so I left the last 2 contracts on. The last 2 contracts, I sold them for about $20 more each, and the last one was maybe like around $30. So 253 versus 213. That's $30 difference, and that was one of the bigger gains. And then I also had this one, which is only $13. $13 gain. This is a $4 loss, and then a $10 gain. And I should have let it run more, like the last contract or so, but I just got scared right here in this area here where it was just bouncing back up. Um, but basically, what gave me conviction to go down was when I saw that it had 2 wicks right here. It failed to continue higher, so it just, and then this candle encompassed this whole candle. The first candle broke this little mini trend line, which is not that important, and then broke this level in the pre-market, and then the pre-market had this level that eventually broke and it continued below that. So it broke this level, and this was like a level that could have been support and could have bounced, and that's why I was kind of scared. But so I let go of it, hoping that I would see something like this. I did see it, but I was not really paying attention. When I see wicks where it's like refusing to continue higher, that means it might go lower, and then this kind of had this little triangle shape. There's another pattern. So boom, it dropped in 3 minutes. It dropped a dollar, or almost about $2. So I missed out on that, and that could have been the best move right there for the day. Everything else is just pretty much kind of trash. um, you know the saying I said earlier, a pattern is a pattern. Well, later in the day, when you see a pattern, it's probably just a scalp pattern. Right here, you see this pattern here, this line, this trend. It breaks, and this is just a scalp move. This is just like to scalp, not really to make a long move like this in the morning where a lot of people are trading. Look at the volume. This is a volume candles, these gray little sticks. these sticks right here, well, here in the when the market opens, they're higher. So in the morning there's more volume, and later in the day it's just choppy. It's not consistent. Like this is like the average volume for the morning, and then later, a couple minutes later, this is the average. So almost half of what you had in the morning, and then you get these ugly candles, or it's just random. Nothing's really happening. That's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to share the kind of things I look at, and also look at the SPY daily candles, the daily chart, and also the SPY intraday 1 minute, so I can have a feel. Another pattern right here in the SPY, it could be this right here. It could break, but again, it's later in the day, and then nothing might happen. So it might break a little bit, come back, and then chill, and then maybe go up. We're in the 0% line, so yesterday's close was right around here. Yesterday's close for Tesla was right around here. That's what I do every day too. And then I mark an average percent move, so tends to move about 3.5% on average. There's days where it has a really good day and it moves more than that, even up to like 13%. And today, could be a 13% day, but maybe later or not. It can happen, but the move right here today was this right here, and maybe tomorrow we'll see a continuation. Who knows? Will be an alert for that. So I'm not gonna stick around to see what happens here, even though I don't have no more buying power right now. I could use Robinhood, but I don't want to risk it right now. It's slow. After the first 30 minutes, it's pretty much slow, so I don't really pay attention. All right, see you guys later. Bye bye.